Hi, my name is Max Lowe. I am a baker here at Deluxe Limited Industries. We supply to the cafes around Wellington CBD, and we supply to Lunch Money, Sixes and Sevens, and Cuckoo in Island Bay. Well, my day-to-day, to be honest, we start quite early as bakers. We need to supply lots of products and cook off whatever we have for the cafes every morning to have fresh products. I arrive here at 4 o'clock and I start my day at 4 o'clock with lots of prep to do for the day, lots of bread to make, lots of mini baguettes, lots of donuts to fill, and lots of croissants to bake. The task that I like doing mostly is doing the croissants. I'm here managing lots of croissants, and I train and teach people how to make and produce the croissants that we have here for the cafes. And as you can see, one of the alumni is here, Tim. He's here making all the croissants and is rolling the croissants for the cafes. So the environment here, we work as a central kitchen. Everyone here is so friendly, and I really enjoy working here with these people. They are probably the best part of working in this kitchen here. The people here are so friendly. They're very relaxed and casual. Everyone here has a sense of dedication to the company, but also a sense of pride. We all do things as best as we can and also have fun in the meantime. Especially in the mornings, when you wake up and start at 4 o'clock, everyone is here, but everyone's still cheery and everyone's quite happy to be here. So that's, I think, probably the best environment for people to work. Working here with Rob. Rob is the owner and the head baker, head chef here at Deluxe Industries. He owns Sixes to Sevens, Lunch Money, and Cuckoo in Island Bay. And he's probably the friendliest and probably the most reasonable and ambitious baker and owner that I've worked with. He's worked hard to build up these cafes and build a reputation for himself, especially during COVID times. He treats his staff and he treats the people here working in the kitchen with so much pride, and he's given us so much opportunities and supported us through so many different times, especially during COVID. Working here with him makes me quite happy, to be honest, and quite relieved, because I know that he's there for us and his dedication to the company is not forgotten, and he's always in the kitchen here helping instead of being in the background and telling us what to do. So that's what I enjoy most about working with him. Waking up at 4 o'clock and going to work at 4 o'clock, it's quite hard. It's quite hard for someone new to the industry, and especially me working as a chef before. As a baker, it's totally different hours, different lifestyle, and different kind of environment. It's very hard work. You need lots of passion, lots of ambition to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning and come to work and do this. But, it is worth the learning, worth the time, and worth the journey, I think. It's really opened my eyes to lots of opportunity, lots of different knowledge and experience that you learn from places like this.